What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to jump on here really quick and show you a side hustle that I've been using with Jarvis. Basically, I'm in the home remodel niche, so I know a lot of realtors. I got a bunch of buddies that are realtors, and they don't know anything about copywriting. They don't know any of the frameworks. It's all over the place. They try and use way too much BS. So I've been rewriting their Facebook ads, right? So a lot of these realtors, the local realtors here, are just spamming Facebook groups. They're not buying leads. They're not doing ads. What I've noticed is their ad copy's horrible. Their creatives, like their images, their videos, most of them don't even have videos. So they're taking them straight off the MLS and just throwing pictures from the MLS, and it looks garbage. I've been rewriting their Facebook ad copy and making it an irresistible offer. So my front end offer is I give them some pointers or whatever. I shoot them a quick video going over the ad copy. And then I'm like, hey, for $99, I will give you 3 variations to this ad copy. I have the perfect person that will do professional photography for you for $150. This will help you get more leads, more sales. I guarantee this. And you can do this organically, just with Facebook groups. So I've been rewriting this. I've been doing 3 variations, and then I jump on a 10-minute call. I talk to them about their problems with getting more leads, getting more sales. Right now, my buddy, he's a year in, and he's closing anywhere between 3 to 6, 7 deals a month, okay? And he's got a small list, right? And I've just been rewriting his ad copies, okay, because they're garbage. I've tried to get him to refer into Jarvis. That I would probably save him a lot of time. But so I've been doing this, and I've been giving them 3 variations of their listing for $99, and then I upsell them into a sales funnel. So something that will help them automate the process even more, collect more emails, get more people on their email list, and push out their message. Okay, so I've been doing this. And so if you want to do this organically, and if you're looking for people, just join your Facebook groups, like your buy, sell, yard sale groups, and then just start looking through the ad copy. You'll see plumbers, you'll see home remodelers, you'll see every kind of business, and you can legitimately help these people. Just reach out. Hey, you could just even send them the ad copy. So I did this in Jarvis in about 10 minutes, and then I just reassembled it. I basically took their product description, and then I rewrote everything. So instead of just doing the features, I gave them the benefits of this house, okay? I made sure that their pain points of renting, I'm selling the benefits instead of just the features. And their ad copy wasn't calling out to a specific person, right? So this person's in need, and it's for first-time home buyers, realistically. So that was my target audience on this Facebook ad copy. And then I got commissions I haven't got commissions yet, but I'm getting commissions from referring my photographer for these listings as well, okay? So this is just one way to do it. And if you're in Facebook groups, you can legit copy their description and use the Jarvis content improver and make it better. So that's all you have to do. Realistically, it takes 10 to 15 minutes. I'm charging $99. I rewrite the first one for free, and I do a 3 to 5, realistically, rewrites for $99. And then I try and jump on a 10-minute call with them and then upsell them on different things. And then I refer out the next problem they have. Hey, they've got problems with their copywriting. Next, you have to fix your creative. So their pictures, their images, their videos. Hey, I got a buddy that does a video photography. Hey, I got a buddy that does photography, and I think it will help you get more leads. If you've got better images, you got better copywriting. Now, the next step is obviously their sales funnel. How are they collecting leads? Are they just doing their generic website that is not based on conversions, right? Their website has so many different buttons and gadgets going on that no one's going to click the call to action to submit an email, right? So then I give them, hey, I want to do a sales funnel for you. I want to make a lead magnet for you, and we can start catching leads free for organic in these Facebook groups. If you do these things, I've done this a million times, put up great copywriting, great creative, and then push them to a sales funnel. I've gotten free leads fucking thousands of times, okay? And I guarantee this works in any industry. And Jarvis will help you do this. You can build these, landing pages or sales funnels or whatever you want to call them in Jarvis. You can build the lead magnet for these companies, for this realtor, for this home improver, for whatever local brick and mortar. You can do this. Okay, so this is a quick win for me. So I've been doing these for $99, and then I upsell them on a $2,000 sales funnel. And then I add in a 3 to 5 email sequences. So that's my quick win for today. It's a irresistible offer and a great way to make more money in your business if you're doing anything like consulting or agency model as well. Or it's just a great side hustle realistically. Hey, so if you haven't signed up for Jarvis yet, or if you're on the fence, I have a free 5-day Jarvisai Intensified Workshop. So it basically goes over everything, right? So I do a demo, I do a walkthrough, I give you a bunch of bonuses to try and push you over the edge, and then I've got an awesome offer to help you. The whole goal of this workshop is to help you make an extra $100 to $500 a month with Jarvis. I totally think this is doable for the average person, realistically, right? So I go over 5 different ways how you can make $100 to $500 extra a month with Jarvis, okay? And then I've got some more stuff, creating a book with Jarvis, 10-minute lead magnets, and I show you 17 high income skills that you can leverage with Jarvis. I give you a bunch of resources, done for you systems like sales funnels. I've got a no risk, all reward guarantee that if you don't like Jarvis, I will pay you to use Jarvis. So if you're not satisfied, you go through this work, I'm going to pay you. I'm going to give you a $100 hotel savings card just for trying Jarvis. I believe in Jarvis so much that once you get the belief that you can use this for your business, doesn't matter. If you're a business, you're a content creator, you're an influencer, solopreneur, whatever you are, if you create content for social media, search engines, whatever it is, you can use Jarvis. I believe in Jarvis so much that if you don't like it, I will pay you for your, okay? I've got $4,448 worth of bonuses attached to this. So if you buy through my link, I'm going to give you a bunch of bonuses. I'm talking done for you sales funnel templates, software that's going to help you boost engagement on Facebook, LinkedIn, 6 weeks coaching and support through me, talking one-on-one. And if you go to 1-800-copywriter.com, you can get this private membership. And then I have a secret bonus that's worth $2,500 that I've used to help me boost my lifetime value of each customer. It's a secret hack, right? So I've added an extra 6 figures into my tree service business, and I'm using it on my home remodeling businesses. But we're killing it with it, and we're getting inbound free referrals on demand, almost. So if you need more referrals, more leads, if you're any kind of business, you need an irresistible offer, this will help you out, okay? And this is worth up to $2,500. I'm going to give you a bunch of resources, and my whole goal is to help you as much as possible with Jarvis. I want you to be successful. That is exactly why I'm giving all of this information away for free. All you have to do is sign up at 1-800-copywriter.com, and you can check out, if you're on the fence, I've got a bunch of different tutorials that'll show you how to use Jarvis in your business and 5 different ways on how to make an extra $100 to $500 a month with Jarvis. But ultimately, I believe once you get the belief in Jarvis, in yourself, you'll stick with this proven program. So if you need a free 5-day trial and 10,000 word credits, go to 1-800-copywriter.com and start your free trial. Check out all the bonuses that I have for you and my no risk, all reward guarantee. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, I want to go over a disclaimer for my offer for my copywriting services, right? So that I'm using Jarvis with. So I rewrite their ad copy, right? Their Facebook ad copy. It doesn't matter what industry they are. I use AIDA and then PAS, and then I use Content Improver and product description and everything. So I rewrite their ad copy for free, and then I send them a message through, Facebook Messenger or whatever platform that I'm using. I give them some pointers, and then I'm like, hey, for $99, I'll give you 3 variations to this copy, and you don't have to pay me unless it boosts your engagement, right? So that's an irresistible offer. And then I talk to them about creatives, their images, their videos, and then I try and push them to a sales funnel where I actually make the big bucks, right? So my irresistible front-end offer is I give them for the lead magnet, right? So to get them interested, to get their attention, I rewrite their ad copy, and then I tell them, hey, I'll give you 3 variations to this ad copy, and if you don't get any results, you don't have to pay me, right? So it takes me probably 10 minutes to create this ad copy, right? And then I talk to them about, hey, your next step is you need better images, right? You need better creatives, you need a better video, you need a VSL, you need blah, 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 right? So I give them the next thing and everything else in between that. So I just wanted to go over my offer for how I'm using Jarvis and to create more income for my business.